Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing misleading signals so the algorithm hears the right message. First, clear both watch and search histories. This erases old preferences. Next, prune subscriptions that feed unwanted topics. Make sure you keep the niche channels that matter. Once done, spend a focused 30-60 minutes watching only the type of videos you want on your FYP. This sends new, strong signals. Do this on the device you use most so personalization aligns with your main viewing habits. Now you refine how YouTube interprets your preferences by interacting with content. Use like, dislike, and the not interested option to label examples clearly. This helps the model learn quickly. Also, watch videos longer. Aim for roughly 70% of length or comment to increase weight. Meanwhile, save good videos to playlists so they reappear as positive signals. If a recommendation is wrong, remove it from your home feed and tell YouTube why. This trains the system faster, and then monitor changes over the next few days. Finish by turning short bursts into a habit. For 7-14 days, watch intentionally to lock in the new pattern. If you want to verify progress, open an incognito window to compare non-personalized suggestions versus your account feed. That highlights real personalization effects. If recommendations still miss the mark, create a fresh profile or tweak language and location settings to reset stubborn edge cases. One tip: when nothing improves, export your watch history, then delete and re-import only the positive examples. That isolates good signals and fixes drift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.